Just a simple little mirror. Look, there you guys are. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this mirror, but it's not just any mirror. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. You'll notice it's plugged in. Why is it plugged in? Because there's a little button on here. You ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Here we go. Whoa. Hold on, let me shut these lights off. Check that out. That is so cool. There's a ghost in the mirror. Check it out, Eleanor. There's a ghost in the mirror. Eleanor, there's a ghost. Where's the ghost? It's in the mirror. She took off running thinking somebody's here. So there's a little on and off button here. So you can have it be a regular mirror, or you can have it be a ghost in the mirror. Can you tell I'm from the Midwest, by the way? I say mirrors. Everybody, like, can you tell? Can you tell where I'm from by the way I say that? This is really cool. And, like, it looks like it's in the mirror. Like it's, I don't know how to explain it. I don't think the camera is going to capture this. Maybe if I turn the lights back on, you can kind of see it a little bit better. It's like three-dimensional. It's weird. It's three-dimensional. It looks like it's in there. It doesn't look like it's just on the mirror. It looks like it's like inside of it. This is a pretty cool Halloween decoration if you ask me. So this does plug in through USB-A, so you are going to need a box to be able to plug that in. The other thing that I want to know is this is not motion activated. So it is a turn on, turn off type of thing. It's not something where you walk by and it's going to turn on, which that would be really cool too. I don't know how you can make that work with maybe a motion-activated plug that you could plug it into. Maybe you could turn it into that. But either way, it's still really cool. You can hang it up on a wall. It did come with an attachment here that you can attach so you can hang it up on a wall. Or it's pretty sturdy. You could set it on a table, have it turn on and off whenever you want it to. Honestly, I think it's cute. I love fun Halloween decorations. I think it's cute. The ghost just looks really neat as you move back and forth. That's pretty neat. If you're looking for a fun new Halloween decoration, this one's cute. I like it. It's going on a table in the Halloween basement.